And in that area, security is one of the areas of priority, if I say it well.
Okay, thank you very much for the introduction. Thank you to all of you for this opportunity. I think it's a bit a challenge to talk about satellites in this institution, so there's a lot of tradition here about satellites. So let's try, we'll do my best trying to introduce how satellites are being used, particularly within Integra and GLOBE, in order to support this complex work which is integrated border management. I also will highlight some other aspects in a broader context like space programs such as GMES, but I will concentrate on the GLOBE Integra project. So we'll just give an overview. We are on the satellite that has been performed within GLOBE. Also, we put some examples on the development that are being doing currently within Integra and other related projects, and then we'll put some conclusion and some way forward we have already identified within this context. So if we see at what satellite technologies could bring, we saw that within the Integra and GLOBE project we have a very different approach. Within GLOBE, we have performed an analysis over the different initiatives, and we have seen how satellite technology are being used or planned to be used in the near future. We have been looking at satellite technologies for surveillance, but also for identification and tracking, and also for communication. So we are trying to tackle the three areas of technology where space can bring some added value. And also we have made a important look, I think, on related to satellite technology is very important to the main programs in Europe. There are two flagship programs that has been identified in the European space policy, which are GMES and Galileo. And within the GLOBE, we have also have a view what within all this development, all this context, from the upstream to the downstream development of both elements, how integrated border management can be achieved. And of course, within the GLOBE, which one of the objectives is to build a roadmap to identify gaps. We have understood, we have better identified which are the gaps, and which are for ourselves, for the rest, which are shall be the priorities for the future in order to be best positioned for one side, but also to better serve the user needs. With regard to Integra, we have very clear, very completely different project in terms that takes the outputs from GLOBE in terms of gap analysis, in terms of initiative that has been currently done, and tries to fill a bit the gap of the existing technology with regard to satellites. GMES was very focused on the satellite technology, trying to bring new technologies in terms of border control, but more focused on maritime border due to the specific European context on this. So we try to, for example, I put some examples on the slide, to develop new algorithms for better detection, classification of vessels using the new satellite, or new generation of satellites, bringing additional capabilities. So we're trying to make the best use of such satellites. Also, we are not isolating the world. Satellites is only a contributing element to the full picture, so we are trying to bring new data fusion techniques with optical satellites, but also with other in situ data and other technologies. And also, of course, satellite not only surveillance, there are navigation, communication, so all in this context, how we match with SATCOMs and nav, and how everything together can be put on the table and bring added value to the final user. And of course, it's important that we learn from working with the user. One of the attributes and also to support within Integra development is to close the gap between the satellite and the user side, in order to remove the complexity of satellite tasking, in order to improve the responsiveness of the system, in order to get seamless access to the data, satellite data, which is not so easy as far as the satellite infrastructure is complex, and as progressively being increasingly complexity with new satellites, new constellations belonging to different organizations, and at the end we have to put everything together. So this is one of the tasks of the Integra is also to see how we can reduce the effort to access all these complex space capabilities. So more focus on what we have analyzed on GLOBE, we have been working on this which is called the Space Technology Triangle. We're trying to be the observation element of the space technology that can bring border surveillance, vessel tracking, origin countries analysis, identification of routes, things like that. That observation is a key element